Session 2. In the session 2, we will be focusing on where did exactly people live during that period of time. So you can see on the screen here, we have attached an image to make your understanding easy that the first cities flourished on the banks of the rivers that we have learned in the previous session. In the session 1, we learned that the early man lived on the banks of the rivers. It is about 4,700 years ago. Some of the earliest cities got flourished in the region of river Indus and its tributaries. So you can see on the screen the river Indus with the blue color shaded with all its tributaries. On the red dots you can observe them: Sutlej, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum are the main tributaries which we can see on the screen here. So this is the region where the huge population or the early cities of the early man got established and lived here approximately 4,700 years from now. Is there any other place that the early man also lived apart from river Indus? Yes. He also has his traces found, but not so old as that of Indus Valley, but he also lived around some 2500 years ago from now, that is on the banks of river Ganga and its tributaries along with the sea coast. So you can see on the screen here the river Ganga, which starts from Himalayas and flows through Uttar Pradesh and covers the states of West Bengal, some parts of Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, some region of Orissa, and then falls into Bay of Bengal region. So this entire region is also the home for early man's lives, which is way ahead or way back of Indus Valley civilization. Why I am telling you this point is, in the previous part we saw that the early man lived near Indus Valley, started his living around some 4,700 years from now, but when it comes to Ganga Valley region or Ganga and its tributaries region, he started to live only ago 2,500 years ago from now. So there is nearly 2,200 years of difference what we can observe very clearly. So most of the important regions where the population lived in the Ganga and its tributaries belt is near Ganga region and mainly during its tributaries valley region, that is Son Valley region. So in ancient times the area along these rivers to the south of the Ganga was known as Magadha and now lying in the state of Bihar. Its rulers were very powerful and set up a large kingdom, and that kingdom were set up in other parts of the country as well. So these are the two places where the early man has lived. One is Indus and its tributaries region in the northwest of India. Presently Indus river flows 20% in India and 80% in Pakistan, as you can see on the screen. And then it is also proven that around some 2500 years ago early man cities also got established in the regions of Ganga and its tributaries region. So that's all for us for the session 2. Hope you people are understanding the concepts clearly. That's the reason why we are going slowly, as we have moved into a situation where we have to deliver the lessons on virtual platforms where we cannot interact with each other on the same time. So please students, if you have any further queries, do comment below or reach out to us in the email IDs given, and do not hesitate. Stay safe. Happy learning.